Plastic bottles. Types, uses, and benefits. This video will give an in-depth look at plastic bottles and their functions. The video will give more information about topics such as plastic bottles and their types of manufacturing techniques, plastic bottle design, applications and advantages of plastic bottles, thermoplastic versus thermoset plastic, recycling of plastic bottles, and much more. Chapter 1. An overview of manufacturing techniques for plastic bottles. Understanding plastic bottles. Each type of plastic offers unique characteristics and is suited to particular applications, which include varieties of manufacturing techniques for plastic bottles. Co-extrusion, blow molding. Extrusion, blow molding. Injection molding. Reheat and blow molding. Injection blow molding. There are two ways to execute this process: the one-step and two-step injection molding techniques, in which stretch blow molding. Chapter 2. Who are the top manufacturers of plastic bottle machines? Brand: Husky Injection Molding Systems. Model: Hypet HPP5. Brand: Crohn's AG. Model: Contiform 3. Brand: Sidel Group. Model: Sidel Matrix. Brand: Aoki Technical Laboratory Incorporated. Model: SB3 500 150. Brand: Wilmington Machinery. Model: Wilmington Rotary Blow Molding Machine. Chapter 3. What considerations are involved in plastic bottle design? HDPE. LDPE. PET, polyethylene terephthalate. PP, polypropylene. PC, polycarbonate. PS, polystyrene. PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Key features of polyvinyl chloride. Frequently asked questions. What are the main manufacturing techniques for plastic bottles? How does material choice impact plastic bottle performance? What makes co-extrusion blow molding unique? Which plastic is most commonly used for bottles and why? Who are the leading plastic bottle machine manufacturers in North America? What factors should guide plastic bottle design? Chapter 4. What are the applications and advantages of plastic bottles? They are primarily utilized for packaging a wide range of products, including advantages of plastic bottles. Reusable material. Colors and shapes. Savings on energy. Tough and secure. Chapter 5. How are plastic bottles recycled? The danger of plastic bottles to the environment. The process of recycling plastic. Why to recycle? Why can't all plastics be recycled? What the chasing arrows symbols mean. Inside the chasing arrow symbols, there are 7 resin codes. These are how plastic of each resin code is handled. How residents can help. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right plastic bottle manufacturers for your needs.